first trip. Time check. What time is it? 3:08. It's 3:08. Unboxing kami ng Nami.
Ito.
Pakita mo. Yan lang. Sana all. Hindi yan yun. Strawberries yan.
Okay lang.
Strawberries yung nakuha niya. Gusto niya si Apple. Ang laki niya.
That's it. Bagay mo sa akin.
Bagay.
Tago yan. Tago yan.
Yan.
Ina, ang aga niya akong ginising.
No.
Ginising niya ako 6 a.m. Maliligo na siya.
Ang kapal. Ang plan, magja-jogging, 5:30. So, ginising ko siya. Tapos, sabi niya, sige. Tapos natulog ulit.
Lintik.
Baho ng hininga mo.
Sa mga pinagtatangkaan ni Herodes sa
Sa hospital kami, bantay kami ni Tita Tess.
Guys, I got my period. And ako lang mag-isa here. Right now, I'm just working while waiting for them and watching Gilmore Girls. They're on the way, not home. To
Lala Move Delivery.
Wala. Mali pa yung grammar. Pero sige na lang. Magpipick up kami ng order. Our family doesn't usually do anything special for Christmas. We just eat together outside like we do every Sunday. And this time, we ate at Chrysostomos, one of our family's favorite restos. And of course, I needed my matcha fix. Although parang medyo mid na siya compared to when I tried it before. We also bought siomai from Dex na super sarap. I also tried this brownie crunch. Nagkalungkot din sila, so we ended up looking through some old photos. After that, I got busy packing for La Union, and that pretty much sums up my Christmas. Yes, we're on the way to La Union to meet my mom's side. Here's Boy!
Hello!
Galing pa siyang Bataan.
Sipag ko mag-drive, guys.
Practice niyan. Please sponsor us. Hi guys, we're here at Luna, La Union, because ang daming tao sa Sakwan. Check Criss-cross. Oh, talikod ka. Criss-cross sa taas, USD sa baba. Baba, show your shorts. 16? Ano ba talaga? Guys, I'm on top of the world. Uy! Nice, okay. morning, guys. Lalabas lang kami para makita yung dagat. That's all. Wow, Marian. Ang sana. Coffee fix done. Oops. Coffee. My driver. Oh, hey boy. Anyway. May bata po doon. So we're on the way to
Nagilian!
Nagilian, La Union. So yun talaga yung province ko. Mi-meet muna namin sila Tito Dennis sa SM La Union. We're here. Super laki na Derek's. Look. So big.
SM na naman.
Break na ulit. TikTok hacks.
Hindi sa Balawi.
Hi guys, nandito kami sa Karuba Resort. Super ganda ng rooms. Ito yung room namin for single or couples. Ito yung bed. Oh, taray,
Ayan yung bed niya. Ayan yung bed niya.
Oh.
Ito yung bed ko.
Oo, yan yung bed. Yung favorite ko ay super ganda ng shower. Super linis ng CR. Like, oh, shower. Shower. Super arte ko pa naman. May heater. Period.
Naway ka. It's smooth slides tayo. So, nandito naman tayo sa isang slide, guys. Dalawa kasing slides dito eh. Ito yung mas mataas and mas mahabang slide. So, ito ang itsura niya. Hey.
Time for wine and fun.
Ito na ba lahat?
Hindi ko alam. Ako bumili, tapos ito pa rin ako. Tsaka ay pang laundry.
Guys,
Magagamit daw niya yan.
may totoong story yan yan. Ako yung nakakuha ng Ona share. Siya ang nakakuha nito.
Happy New Year, Ash. Happy New Year!
Mas mabigat sa
We got for Christmas haul. Good morning, guys. It's currently January 3 and I'm finally home after all the galas. I think I'll be ending my first vlog here. Wow, congratulations, self. Happy New Year. See you on the next one. Bye.